Okay, we got a 2012 GMC Yukon SLT, and we're going to do the rear shocks. See what we can come up with here. Alright, so I'm just starting on the passenger side here, and I'm going to take the wheel off. Got the wheel cover off. Not my finest work, but left these two pins in there. Those didn't come out as easy as I'd like, but let's see if we can get this thing off. So I copied the trick already on YouTube. Got some pressure off the axle. Got that guy out. And working on the top one here. As you can see, I just left my wrench in there. And, see what we can do on this guy. So as you can see, I'm using a Advanced Auto Parts Monroe shock. There's their part number if that's of interest. Obviously the old one and the new one there. Take this off. All right. There, that guy up there. Let's start at the top, huh? So we got the top one, and there's the bottom. 21 millimeter. Alright, well, I stopped filming, but there's the driver's side. This one's a lot easier to get to the back here. So that's it. Hope you enjoy this.